Tomorrow night, it's Jeff Dunham and Walter, and finishing up Friday night Ventriloquist Week, Todd Oliver.
Hey! You go first. Okay, great. Hi, I'm Ron Lucas, and I'm Star Jones. They got a laugh. Do we always pander to the lowest common denominator? We're not on Leno? No, we're not. Okay. Wrong coast. We're in New York City. Oh, yeah, Manhattan, gateway to Secaucus. Anyone here since Secaucus? New Jersey, where you tell an audience to drive home safely and they shout, hell, we drove our homes here. At 48 miles an hour on the interstate with the left turn indicator going the whole darn way. Secaucus, New Jersey, where they don't have the town drunk, they all take turns. Where the chicken died, they close the zoo. Will you stop? One more. Where the town hooker's still a virgin. Okay, that's it. Thanks a lot. So here we are. Yeah, the Late Show. Ventriloquist Week. David, what the hell were you thinking? No, I'm serious. Leave him alone. Hang on. What were you thinking? Were you sitting at home saying, okay, just sitting here, tossing back a few? Paul Schaefer sitting on my knee? Thinking night viewers usually come home, had dinner, a little sex, they watch the Late Show, and yeah, a ventriloquist act. That's what we need. What the hell's next? Let's get drunk and go see a puppet show? Okay, stop. Sorry. So anyway, yay. Anyone here notice I'm naked? Thank God my fingers are crossed. Okay, this is not funny. There it is. Okay, you know what? I got an Audi. Audi, belly button. What were you thinking? Made her look. Is it bigger than your husband's? Belly button is all we're talking about, okay? Okay, yeah. So do it. Do what? Do the ventriloquism thing. I'm doing some of it now. Oh, can you throw your voice? Well, I don't know if I can throw my voice in here or not. I'll do it. You don't throw your voice? Hang on. I'll throw my voice. Okay, folks, Ed Sullivan under the stage. You ready for this? Ed, are you there?
Yeah, let me out of here right now. Let me out.
Ed, you still there?
Yeah, let me out.
No, we can't do that, Ed. You're dead. That's why this showroom is so freaking cold.
Are you letting me out or not? I want my stage back.
You can't have the stage. David's got it. Your time is tasked. Goodbye. Okay, so anyway, we're gonna I'm so good, yeah. Wait. Scorch, what are you doing? Lap dance? Okay, you know what? You only 20? I don't think so. I think we need to wrap this up. Can we sing? Ventriloquists always sing at the end of the act. It's so corny. Let's do it. What? I gotta clear my nose. Don't do this. Scorch, come here. No, this isn't funny. Okay, Scorch, go. What was that? Flaming booger? Don't do that. Acid reflux? You know what? We don't have a song here. Oh, I forgot. You missed the rehearsal. Think about it. We're gonna sing Row, Row, Row Your Boat. That's pretty corny. Yeah, it takes two people. There's you and there's me. I can't do both parts by myself. You don't have to. I'll help you out. Okay, I don't want to blow anybody's illusion. I make you talk. Then why the hell are you arguing with yourself? We'll just end this here. No, kick in the song. Go ahead, do it, dude. Come on, here we go. Scorch, look at me. Mr. Director, go for it. Scorch. Hey, that's too fast. Go, Ron. Go. I start. Row, row, row your boat. Row, gently row, row the stream, your old boat. Merrily, gently, merrily down a merrily stream. Merrily life, nearly is but merrily a dream. Nearly life, row your boat, a dream. Row your boat, row, gently row down the stream, your old boat. Merrily, gently, merrily down a merrily stream. Nearly life, nearly is but nearly a dream. Nearly life is but a dream, yeah.
Ron Lucas and Scorch, everybody. Good to have you here. We'll be right back with Mark Helgenberger. How have you been?
This Friday.